Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and we have more websites that, of course, all of you have been sending in, and I've kept them emails so that I can actually refer to all your favorite sites that you wanted to share with everyone. If you listen to the amateur bands, one of the things that you might wonder is how can you identify what you're hearing? So what station, where its location. Two websites that are good for that, if you want to learn more, is QRZCQ.com. And here you can register, you can, or not, it still works if you don't register. And you just enter the call of the station. So, for example, you can enter your call sign that you're searching for, and click search, and it's going to give you information about that ham station, and it's going to tell you. So mine is not in this database, by the way. I might need to hand myself to here. And of course you have QRZ.com, which is also the place to search for any ham radio stations. And of course you'll have details of where they are. If you log in, you'll have a little more details of the more precise location of where they are. And you have, of course, often information, pictures, and so on of different ham stations. The difference, there's one big difference. If you're not a ham operator, the free account that you can create with QRZ.com will give you access to only 25 searches. So in a contest, for example, you might find that it's not a lot. So that means you will be stuck after 25 at trying to find something else. So that's why QRZCQ is nice. I have never reached a limit. I don't know if there is one in QRZCQ, but usually what I had done is go to QRZCQ. If you're a ham operator, I believe that the QRZ.com limit is not there. And in my case, I am actually a premium member, so I have really no limit of anything on the QRZ.com page. So, like that, you'll know where some stations are. You can look at a map and you can have more information, because just hearing whatever station, for example, here, let's click one that's here. And here you go. So here you got a picture. You've got some where that station is located. You have a map where it's showing where it is. Often people have shack pictures, which is very nice, and so on. So it gives you an idea where they are, and it's kind of cool. And it helps you tremendously in contests, knowing where a station is, or it can help you also just knowing where the station is located, and that's it. Some have email addresses. Some have their full address, postal address. In cases where you want to maybe try to QSL a ham station, that's something that you can actually try. You'll have some information here that you might need, or then you might want to get to send that reception report either by email or by postal mail. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.